Hello students, today we are going to study strengthening of existing pavement. For the successful maintenance of pavement, it is essential that they have adequate stability to withstand the design traffic under prevailing climatic and subgrade condition. If the pavement have to support increased wheel loads and load repetitions, the pavements rapidly undergo the distress and no amount of routine and periodic maintenance can help them. Strengthening may be done by providing additional thickness of the pavement of adequate thickness in one or more layers over the existing pavement, which is called overlay. If the existing pavement have completely deteriorated, an overlay would not serve the purpose, and hence we should remove the existing damaged pavement structure and rebuild it. In partially damaged pavement section, patch repair works are carried out before constructing the overlay. Now we have to see the types of overlay. The overlay combinations are divided into 4 categories based on the type of existing pavement and the overlay. The first one will be the flexible overlay over flexible pavement. Next one is cement concrete or rigid overlay over flexible pavement. Third one is flexible overlay over cement concrete or rigid pavement. Last one is cement concrete or rigid overlay over rigid pavement. So students, we have completed the strengthening of existing pavement. Thank you very much students.